Merhaba Yunus.
Aa,
Nasılsın, iyi misin?
iyiyim kötü değil. İyi gidiyor.
Saslar uzamış yine.
Biraz uzattım.
Uzattı mı yoksa kendisi mi uzadı?
E, kendisi geldi. Kesmedim yani.
Yani sen kendini uzattıysan bana da yolunu göster. Ben de biraz uzatayım ya. Uzatamıyorum yani.
Değil. Kendi başına oluyor.
Hiçbir şey kendi başına olmuyor ya. Öyle değil mi? Her şey bir sebebe göre oluyor yani. Nasılsın, iyi misin? Nasıl oldu böyle 2 aydır ders yapmadık herhalde yoksa 3 ay mı oldu? Kaç ay oldu ya?
İki ay ben de.
En son dersimizi Şubat'ın ortalarında yapmıştık galiba.
Evet.
İyi. Neyse. Belki seneye devam edeceğiz diye düşünüyordum da yine annen devam edelim dedi. O yüzden yine beraberiz Yunus. Seneye ne yapacağız Yunus şimdi? Bir iki hafta burada quick revision yapacağız. Tüm konuları şimdi bayağı şey öğrendik ki. İşte linear equations'tan başladık. Linear equations, linear inequalities, word problems, ondan sonra exponential equations, exponential functions, logarithms, and the sine rule, cosine rule, trigonometric ratios, angular depression, what is it? Elevation, and the arc length, sector area. Yani neredeyse konuların hepsini gördük yani. Seninle ne kaldı? Trigonometri. Biraz trigonometri üzerinde çalışmamız lazım. O da biraz sonra, belki bir ay sonra daha derin gidebiliriz yani. Devam ettirirsek. Çünkü Algebra 2 neredeyse sen bitirdin. Bundan sonraki level ne? Pre-calculus level yani. Tamam. O pre-calculus'ı iyi öğrendin mi artık you're ready for college. But if you want to learn deeper, if you want to improve your critical thinking skill, maybe you can solve some different questions. Because if you're solving question that requires a couple of skills, usually this type of questions are easy. But if one question you have to solve, but it's requiring like different knowledge from different skills. You should know how to solve linear inequalities or linear equations or quadratic equations, exponential, maybe word problems, right? These kind of questions are usually, complicated. Okay. If you're ready, let's start. All right. Quick
Yeah.
revision. If you do well, I will see. All right. If you have calculator, also keep it ready because we may need a calculator. All right. Give me a second. Today is Wednesday. All right. Let's start, Yunus. If your notebook is ready, calculator is ready. Read the question.
Okay, solve the equation 5x squared minus 8 equals 7x, giving your answer correct at two decimal points.
So, do you remember the formula? I mean, most probably we're going to solve this using the formula.
The quadratic formula. Yeah.
Yeah, if the
Uh,
equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. First, do you remember this delta? What is delta? Discriminant.
Wait, 1 second. Square root of 4ac.
B squared
Wait,
minus 4ac, right?
yeah, that.
Then x is equal to,
Wait,
what is
what?
x?
I thought it was negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe I prefer calculate delta first and just put the number in. I don't write expression under the root. All right. And at first, if you write this in standard form, I have to write this in standard form is quadratic form. That is 5x squared minus 7x minus 8 equals 0. Let's solve this question together. What is delta? Let's find delta first. We don't call it delta, we call it discriminant, but it's just labeling, so I prefer to use delta. What is
Yeah.
it?
49 minus 4 times 5 times negative 8.
Negative 8, but this negative becomes positive. Let me
Yeah,
just write
so
positive.
yeah. Yeah.
Which is equal to,
So, so you do 4 times 5 first, which is what, 20? And then 20, so 160 plus 49. Right. I'm not sure what that is.
209, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
$49 and $160, $209. Okay.
Yeah.
And what is X? That's why the first one.
Oh, I guess 7 plus or minus.
That's why
Or
minus first.
okay, yeah.
209.
Square root of 29 over 10.
Okay. Can you calculate it and tell me the answer to two decimal places?
Yeah. Um, it just says 0.4. Oh, wait, sorry, I did the wrong number. Wait. Wait,
0.4 should
okay.
be negative
No, no,
number.
sorry. Sorry. Negative 0.75.
Negative 0.75.
75. Yeah.
Okay. The second root,
Okay, is it just plus, right? Where's the plus? Um, okay. 2.15. Okay, 2.15. Yeah.
okay. Good. Now, Eunice, you try to solve yourself. Like, I'll give some time now. All right. Multiply x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. Can you just multiply in your head and tell me the result? What is x plus 1 times 2x
Okay,
minus 1?
2x squared minus x.
Minus x or plus x?
Is it not minus? X and negative 1 minus x?
Plus x, right? Because
Wait,
two x
what?
times 1, 2x, x times negative 1 minus x is plus x, right?
Well, I was doing it like step by step, like
Ah, okay. I mean,
yeah,
because step by
like the
step level we already passed. Now let's do some
okay,
steps in head, okay? And
okay,
minus 1. All right.
uh,
I'm skipping this. Okay. Now, Ines, let's do some practice, okay? Question A. Can you do
yeah,
this in 45 seconds? Or you can just tell me, can you do question A? Let's do it together. You try question C.
okay.
Simplify each side first.
4,
6x minus 3x. It is 3x minus 8, right?
yeah.
Equals 3x plus 12 minus 2x.
Oh, I didn't see the 3x, my fault.
The other same thing is gone.
Uh-huh.
So what is 2x?
Okay, wait, 10, 10. Wait,
Yeah, it
x
is
20, but x equals 10, yeah.
x equals 10. Good.
Yeah.
Now do question C. 75 seconds.
Oh, I suck at this. Wait. I remember a rule or something. I can't just normally cross multiply. I have to like do something with the 4 and the 5.
If you have fractions, always multiply each side by least common multiple. If you look at the denominators, 4 and 5, right? What is the smallest
Uh-huh.
number divisible by 4 and 5?
20.
20. So multiply each side by 20. So there will be no fraction. With one operation, I can change this into simpler equation and solve it.
So does the 3x minus 1 still stay the same?
Now, if you multiply each side by 20, right? And
Yeah.
20 times something divided by 4. So here we have 5 times 3x minus 1, right?
Yeah.
And 20 divided by 4 is 4. So here you have 4 times 2x plus 1. On the right hand side, 4 times 20, right?
I have a question.
Yes,
The minus, like in front of the 4, is that a negative 4 or
of course, negative 4.
okay.
Because
equals.
manipulation, Yunus, here, if you remember A over B, right? You're multiplying by C.
Hmm.
Also, I can rewrite it as C over B times A. That's what we are doing here.
Hmm.
I'm just dividing 20 by 5 because minus means that negative 1, right? Minus A means that usually, what does
Yeah.
it mean? It's negative 1 times A.
Yeah. Okay, then let's just um wait. Negative 9, 89, 7x equals 89.
7x equals 89.
Yeah.
15 minus 8, it is 7x. Negative 5 minus 4, negative 9. So it's equal 89. Yeah. X equals 89 equals 7. So when I ask you, to solve this question in 60 seconds, you say x equals 89 over 7. That's what we are, trying to achieve, that skill. Fast, accurate, and correct. All right. Uh, solve question B. 30 seconds. Just tell me your answer, okay?
Like negative 7.5.
Negative 7.5?
0.5. Yeah.
Negative
Because
7.5.
yeah. Wait.
No.
Because 2x, negative 2x minus plus 4, like 4 minus negative 2x plus 4 equals 15. Oh, that's a positive space. Wait.
Yeah.
Okay, one second. Wait. That's 3.5? Wait.
Yeah.
Negative
2x,
3.5.
negative 3.5.
Yeah, yeah,
Because 7 and divide each side by
yeah.
2, it is negative 3.5 or 7 over 2. All right. Okay. Question A. 45 seconds. Factor the expression.
Wait, which one? Okay. You want the solutions or like,
It's just factor.
okay, 3x plus 4, x minus 2.
Good. So that is 3x plus 4, x minus 2. Next,
Okay. 4x plus 1, 3x minus 1.
4x plus 1.
Yeah, 3x minus 1.
Good. Now C. Factor C.
What? How am I supposed to factor that?
You don't recognize this? You remember perfect square, Yunus? What is A minus B squared?
Oh, like, wait, is it like 4x minus 25?
Yeah.
Or minus 5?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because it's a perfect square. If the first term and the last term are perfect square, always try this perfect square. So now it was 4 times 5 times 6 is 40. So it is 4x minus 5y squared. Okay. Big question 5.
BKK women's and children's hospital.
Yeah. You just read it. Yeah, I want to listen.
Okay. The KK Women and Children's Hospital set a world record in 1966 of having delivered a total of 39,835 babies. Calculate the number of babies that were born in a day. Giving your answer correct to the nearest whole number. Take 1 year to be 365 days.
Calculate first yourself and tell me the answer.
Is that calculated?
Yeah, using calculator. Can you just solve the question? What is the answer?
Is this like a trick question? Okay. Is it not just, is it just 109?
109, right?
Yeah.
So this 39, 835 divided by 365. 109. Okay. Question B, read it.
Okay. The perimeter of a rectangular cardboard is 500 centimeters and its area is 14,400 centimeters square. Find the dimensions of the cardboard.
Yunus, I don't give you any hint, any explanation. I will give you 3 minutes. You can use a calculator, you can use a formula or factor. Doesn't matter. Okay. After 3 minutes,
Factor.
we'll discuss this. Okay. You have the skill, you have knowledge, you have experience. It's just a little bit new question.
I got this somewhere, but I'm not sure.
What did you get?
Um, I have like a formula set up, but I don't know what to do with it. Well, I did, like 2x plus 2y, right? Because they make 500. So
Yeah.
then x plus y has to be 250. And then I did to find y, like one of the sides. Well, it's just length and width, but I did 250 minus x, and then I got x times 250 minus x equals 14,400. And I think I have to make that a quadratic equation, but I'm not sure.
But okay, we can solve using quadratic equation. But if you use guess and trial methods, how would you solve this question? By just guessing and trying, what numbers would you try?
Like, like for the same number?
Because here, if you look at the equations, the sum of
Uh-huh.
two numbers equals 250, right? And
Like
the product of these
125?
two numbers is this, right?
Yeah.
I think there's all two zeros here. I mean, what numbers would you try? For example, if you look at the first equation, L plus W equals 250, right?
Yeah.
And L times W equals 14,400. What can you tell me about these numbers? At least guess, what kind of numbers are they?
I mean, I'm assuming it's in the range of well,
They
because
must be multiples of 10. Because I have here two
uh
zeros, right? If, because the last digit
mhm.
of 250 is 0, LW, either it will be like 5 5 or 10 10, right?
Yeah.
But if it is 5 5, and the second one, 5 times 5, does not end with two zeros. So it must be in the multiples of 10. Now, if you look at 250, for example, let's say 200 and the 50, right? But it's 10,000.
Hmm.
But if these numbers are closer, they get bigger. And how a next try would be 190 and 60. You see,
Hmm.
9 times 19 times 60, 144. Now it works.
Oh, so we just got rid of the zeros.
Yeah, because
Make it
if
easier.
you check this, for example, let's say length is equal to 190 and width equals 60. What is length plus width? It is 250, right? And what is length times width? 190 times 60 equals 1400, 14,400, right?
Hmm.
Okay, sometimes it's good numbers, guess and trial method. Also, you can get the answer. Okay, Yunus, since we are practicing, also let's solve the second equation. Now, if you substitute here, so the second way, L, what is L? L is 250 minus
Minus
W,
W.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So here we have W. On the right-hand side, 14,400. And
Yeah.
now move everything to the right-hand side. W squared minus 250 W equals
Mm.
plus, right? 14,400
400.
is
Yeah.
equal
Okay.
to 0. Okay. Actually, this 250, it is, what is it? An even number. Also, completing
Hmm.
square method is much faster. But now let's practice
Hmm.
the formula here. And now what is delta? Delta equals 250 squared minus 4 times 14,400. Can you
Yeah.
calculate this? What is it?
Like, what do you mean?
Well,
Oh, four
two-
times.
Yeah, 250 squared minus 4 times 14,400.
It says 4,900.
4,900. Also is a perfect square, right? That's equal to 70
Yeah.
squared.
Yeah.
Good. Now let's get the answers. W1 will be negative B, that is 250 minus 70 divided by 2, which is equal to 90. And how about W2? 250 plus 70 divided by 2, that's equal to 160. That means that if 90, this length will be 160. If width is 160, the length will be 90. But in triangle, usually length will be longer, right? We just pick this answer.
Yeah.
So these are the possible answers. But actually, it's the same triangle, a rectangle. Okay. All right. That's math. Even sometimes complicated, you just keep working and you can simplify this. All right. Some quick revision about exponents. Read the question.
Given that x to the power of 27 equals 27 to the power of 0, find the value of x.
What is it?
Wait, wait, 27 to the power of 0 is 1. So 27?
Really?
Is it not?
Okay, the first step is good. X to the power of 27. 27 to the power of 0 is 1, right? So what
Yeah.
number to the power of 27 equals 1?
Oh, 27 to the power. Okay, sorry. Wait, wait, wait. No,
1.
wait, wait, what?
What is 1 to the
What?
power of 27?
Oh,
Hmm?
oh. So, one.
Yeah, 1 to the power, anything is equal to 1, right?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
It's just 1. Yeah, in tricky way. They asked us in tricky way. But next question, Yunus. I'll give you 45 seconds. Solve it. Given that 32 to the power of y equals 4 to the power of 7, find the value of y.
Okay. 14 over 5.
14 over 5. Good.
Sorry, okay.
Y equals 14 over 5, which is equal to 2.8. All right. Next question.
Okay. A map is drawn to a scale 1 to 50,000. A representation of a lake on a map has a perimeter of 32 centimeters. What is the actual perimeter of the lake? Express your answers in terms of kilometers.
You have 75 seconds. No hints, no explanation. First, give a try. You see yourself. What is the perimeter, the actual perimeter of this lake?
Wait, I mean, is the 1 the centimeters? Oh, okay, it is, yeah. 1,600,000.
In kilometers.
Wait, what?
Write your
What does that
answer in
mean?
kilometers.
Wait, what? Oh, wait, 1 centimeter equals 50,000 what?
Hmm?
Like,
It's
what's
a
the
ratio,
units?
right? Units, the ratio doesn't have units. You can put any unit. If this one is centimeter, then 1 centimeter represents 50,000 centimeters. 1 meter represents 50,000. The
Oh,
scale, right? In every map, you see the
so
scale.
it's 1,600 centimeters.
If it is centimeters, then 1 centimeter represents 50,000 centimeters. But before your calculation, if you simplify this, it's better. And 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, right?
Yeah,
And 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer, right?
yeah.
So this one is 101 meter, and so that's equal to 0.5 kilometers. So that means that 1 centimeter on the map represents 0.5 kilometers, the actual distance.
Mhm.
Now it's asking actually telling, saying that in the question, the perimeter of this lake is 32 centimeters. So if you multiply each side by
It's
32,
like
then 32
eight,
centimeters on the map represents how many kilometers?
16.
16. So the 16 kilometers. So dot, dot, dot, the actual perimeter of the lake is 16 kilometers. Okay,
Yeah.
read the next question.
Uh, if the lake is a square, calculate the surface area of the lake in square kilometers.
All right, now do it yourself, 30 seconds.
Oh, in kilometers. Okay. 4.
Yes, Yunus.
Um, is it not just 4?
4?
Because if the perimeter is 16, if it's a square, we can divide by 4 to find each side length, which
So if,
becomes
if
2.
no, no, no. If the perimeter is 16 divided by 4, each side should be 4 kilometers, right?
4.
4, 4, 4 is 16, right?
Oh, wait, yeah, sorry. So it should be 16 then as the area.
Yeah. It's asking the
Oh,
area. The
yeah, yeah,
surface area will be 4 squares,
yeah.
16 square kilometers. All right. All right. Moving on. Next question. With the question.
The world's largest fountain, situated at Suntec City, has a total base area of 1,683.07 meters squared. How many people can stand on the vase if each person occupies a standing area of 420 centimeters squared? Give your correct answer to the nearest whole number.
Give your answer to the nearest whole, or run your answer to the nearest whole number.
Okay.
Okay, 1 minute. We have just a similar questions about scaling.
Oh, I want some total base. I mean, 1 meter is 1,000 centimeters, right?
So 1 meter, 100 centimeters.
Oh, 100. Okay, sorry. Wait, I mean, does it want? Oh, it doesn't want. Yeah, it wants people. 40?
40
Yeah.
to the nearest whole number.
40.
The number of
Alright.
people will be total area
What else to do?
1683.07, and 1 meter squared means that 100 centimeter squared, right?
Yeah.
And divided by 420 cm squared.
Yeah.
Now, if you calculate this, I got 40,073.
Wait, why did my calculator give me
What did you get?
40.07?
Really?
Wait, one second. I think I wait.
1683.07.
I figured out. I know what I did wrong. I multiplied by 10 instead of 100.
Hmm.
Wait, divided by 420. Okay, wait, now I got 400. Wait, hold on.
Because it is
160.
area, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, right? So 1 meter squared is equal to 10,000 square centimeters, right?
I mean, now I'm getting 420. Like 400. Wait. What is going on?
Now, if you expand this, did you actually write this one in your calculator? 1683.07
Oh,
multiplied
yeah.
by what is 100 squared? It is 10,000, right?
Wait, why am I multiplying by 100 squared?
Because meter squared, right?
Oh,
1 meter squared equals how many square centimeters? Is it 10,000 square centimeters?
wait.
Because if you have an area, it is 1 meter. 1 meter means that
Mm-hmm.
100 centimeters, right? Yeah, 100 centimeters, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what is 100 times 100? That is ten
Uh,
thousand
okay.
square centimeters.
Okay. I see.
Okay, and that's why it should
Yeah.
be 40,073. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Factor, I skipped this question. Next question, C. Can you solve question C? 1 minute.
Mhm. -2?
-2?
Wait, one sec.
But there must be two answers.
Wait, what?
Did you get the quadratic equation?
Question. No, I did not. One sec. Wait. Hmm. Not sure what to do here.
If you multiply, did you multiply each side by x times x plus 2?
Wait, what? And why do I do that?
Because least common multiple of x and x plus 2 is x times x plus 2, right?
Uh,
You can do it a different way. Maybe you can express a single fraction, but this way is, with one operation, you can change everything to integer coefficients. The first one, x is gone. So I have here 6 times x plus 2
mm-hmm.
equals 1 times this. So here we have x times x plus 2. The second fraction, x plus 2's are gone. So here we have 5x. No fraction there. Now, if
Okay.
you distribute now, it's 6x plus 12 equals x squared plus 2x. That's equal to 7x, right?
Another question.
Yes.
Wait, how is it just plus 5x?
Now we are multiplying each term by x times x plus 2, right?
Yeah.
1 times x plus 2, it is this.
Yeah.
What is 5 over x plus 2 times x plus 2? It
Oh,
is
okay.
5x, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Because the x plus 2's are gone.
Yeah. Okay.
And now if you move everything to the right hand side, x squared plus x minus 12 equals 0.
Mm-hmm.
Can you factor it?
Yeah. It should be. Wait, it should be -3 and 4.
X plus 4
Yeah.
and negative 3 equals 0.
Yeah.
Then the solutions would be, what is it?
3 and like -4 and 3.
Negative 4 and 3. Yes, you should be able to solve this now without.
Yeah,
in
that's
a
fine.
mistake because we practice a lot. What you need right now is not knowledge. We need experience and fast calculation skill. That's what we are working
Mhm.
on. All right, moving on. Let's do some questions here. Simplify the following. Simplify.
X cubed y to the power of 6.
Okay. Next.
What? Um, wait, one sec.
Can you simplify and tell me your answer?
Um, A squared.
What is it?
A squared.
A squared.
Yeah.
Okay. B.
Undefined?
Y undefined.
Wait.
Y
Hold on.
cubed times y to the power of negative 2. It's just y, right?
Yeah.
And
And then,
y to the power of 0 is 1.
oh, y.
And y divided by 1 is just y.
Uh,
Now simplify the Yunus.
okay, that makes sense. Okay. Okay. Mm. P squared?
P squared. Because 1 half minus negative 1, 1.5, right? It's
Yeah.
just equal to p squared. Okay. Question 9.
Uh, given the largest possible, okay, wait, given one, x is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to less than or equal to 3, and y is greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 6, find the largest possible value of x squared minus y.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm assuming I find the largest x and the largest y. Wait, hold on. I have to find the smallest y, largest x. Well, the largest possible value would be 9 minus 3, which is 6.
Then just tell me one answer. If you look at this under this condition, what is the
Is it not
largest possible
6?
value of this expression? What is A maximum? Let me just label this by
Like,
A
is it not
maximum.
6?
It's
Because,
6 because of
yeah.
the difference, right? So
Mhm.
this must be maximum. Y should be the smallest. That's equal to 6.
Yeah.
And how about B? What is the smallest value of X over Y?
Wait, smallest value. Okay, then you want 1, yeah, 1 over, um, I think that would be 6.
6.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. Inequalities. Solve the following inequalities and illustrate your answer. All right. This one, that's just only one, Yunus. So question C. Tell me the solution of this inequality. 1 minute.
Okay. I lucky forgot how to do this.
I didn't finish my homework, but if I finish my homework now, it's gonna take me at least to like, I don't know. Maybe it's for this, okay.
Yeah. Wait, I mean, do I have to like go to like each side?
Hmm?
Like do I have to do like the right side and then the left side? Or, like
Yeah, because this composite inequality, right? What does it mean? It means something. A is less than B and B is less than C. This is how we read, right? So that means that this
yeah.
x plus 1 is less than 4x minus 21
Mm-hmm.
and this 4x minus 21 should be less than 3x minus 13. It's not or, it's and. It must satisfy both inequalities at the
Yeah.
same time. Okay, what is the solution of the first one?
Oh, okay, I get it. I guess 22 over 4.
3x is greater than 22, right? Because it's 21, right? If you move to the left-hand side,
Yeah,
22, x to the right-hand
22.
side.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then x is greater than 22 over
Over 3.
3.
Yeah.
And how about the second one?
Uh, X is 21. 8.
Less than 8.
Yeah.
And now on the number line, here we
I
have,
see, I see.
yeah, 22 over 3. And here we have 8. So all the solutions between these two numbers, right? Or we can just combine this. What is that? 22 over 3 less than x less than 8. That's how we saw inequalities, simple ones. Okay, Yunus?
Yeah,
All right. I'm closing this, Yunus. All the revision. Next time also the revision, but some
yeah.
different questions. Now let's practice this one.
Okay.
Black and white. One, these are three different
Pentagon.
topics. Wednesday.
Oh, I remember this.
All right,
A, B,
let's
C,
start.
D, E is a pentagon.
Read the question.
Okay. If okay, A, B, C, D, E is a pentagon, if angle A equals angle B equals angle C equals uh, x to the power 0 and angle
No, no, no. X degrees.
wait oh x degrees oh okay okay
Angle.
and angle D equals angle E equals 120 degrees. Find x.
Mm-hmm.
Wait,
I'll give
shouldn't
you
like
1 minute.
the
First, give a
wait
try. 75 seconds. You try to remember how to solve this question,
360
pentagon, right? And how to find the
yeah.
sum of the angles of a pentagon. Then let's do it together.
I remember doing this. I just can't remember.
Yes, Yunus. You remember the sum of the interior angles of any polygon?
It's something times 180. I can't remember.
Yeah. It's just if you remember this, you know, to remember this one,
Wait.
like quadrilateral, right? How many triangles can we
Okay.
divide quadrilateral? Two, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Pentagon?
Wait. Wait.
Three.
Yeah, yeah.
So that means that because that's the idea of that formula, you know, if it is pentagon, three, hexagon, four, heptagon, five. And we know that the sum of interior angles of any triangle is 180, right?
Yeah, wait. So you just subtract 2 every time then?
Then the sum of these angles A, B, C, this x, so it should be 3x. And D, E, and 120, it is 2 times 120. That should be equal to 3 times 180, right? Actually, the formula is, what is it? 180 degrees multiplied by n minus 2.
Yeah,
If
and
it
that
is,
gives you the entire, like all the angles added up, right?
yeah, the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon.
Yeah.
Now we have to solve this. Can you solve it? What is x?
Okay.
240, 360, 120. It is 40.
Yeah.
If you divide by 3, everything is gone. 180 minus, no, no, no, no. Let's divide everything by 3 first, easy way. X plus 3, it is 40, it is 80 here. Divided by 3, it is 180, right? So x equals 100.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the question
Okay.
begins.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
Wait, shouldn't all the angles be the same though? Or does it not work like that?
If it is regular pentagon, all angles are the same. But it's not regular pentagon. Three angles.
Oh, it didn't say it's regular. Okay.
Yeah. Because regular means that all sides and angles are equal.
Wait. No, the angles of a pencil. Oh, I think I know it. Hold on one second. I think I know it. 60.
60?
Yeah. Is that
Okay.
not right?
So if we add this,
Don't you add it all up equal to 540, then solve for
x,
x?
x, 2x, 4, 6, 8x, right?
Yeah, 8x plus 60.
Plus 60?
Wait, 60. Yeah,
16? Gone?
yeah.
Yeah. So let's equal to
540.
pentagon, 3 times 180, which is 540.
Yeah.
So x equals 540 minus 60
This is
divided
60.
by 8.
Yeah. This is
Is it
60,
60?
right? Yeah, yeah,
Okay, fine x. All right.
yeah.
Read question two.
In the figure, angle of ABC equals angle of BDA equals 90 degrees, and then BC equals 8 centimeters, and AC equals 17 centimeters. Wait, I have a question. Like
Yes.
when it says equals equals, does that mean like the angle of ABC equals like it's the same as the angle of BDA
Yes.
and they're both 90 degrees?
Yeah. In some books, they would just put angle that shows that the measure of angle.
Okay.
Because when you just talk about angle, the geometric thing, right? They say
Mm,
congruence, right?
yeah.
But its magnitude, it's a number, they are equal.
Mm,
But when you
okay.
say angle ABC, usually in some books they write angle ABC. We mean the measure of angle ABC.
Yeah. Okay.
In the
Okay.
question, if you look at this triangle, I mean angle ABC, right angle. Angle ADB, also right angle. Angle CDB, also
Mm-hmm.
right angle. They are congruent, right, to each other.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what is the question? Find the
If triangle ABC.
area and the length of BD. Area of triangle ABC and the length of BD.
Yeah. How do I find the area with one number though?
And that's why using similarity, you can find other sides, right? So BC is 8. And AD, is it AD or AC? Or AC is 17. Okay, AC is 17, right?
Oh, wait. Wait. I have to use ratios. Wait.
Now, I mean, using Pythagorean theorem, can you write this equation AB
What?
squared plus BC squared? Is it equal to AC squared?
Yeah.
Do we know AB?
No.
No. So I can calculate it, but I know AC, right? What is AC? 17, right? It's given.
Wait, I thought. Oh, the entire thing is. Oh, okay. I thought the 17 was AD. Okay, never
Yeah,
mind.
that's why it's given in the case.
Okay, wait,
AC equals
that's a lot easier
17.
now. Okay, yeah, okay. Minus 8 squared. Yeah.
What is it? 17 squared. What is 17 squared?
Um, sure. Check. 289
2 to 5, right? Is it 15?
minus 64. Yeah, 15.
So now, okay, that's the first step. So we have to find the area of triangle ABC. Then what is the area of triangle ABC?
60?
So that is 1 over 2 times 8 times 15. That's equal to 60 cm squared. And number 3, can you find the length of BD?
Okay. BD. What is that? The height?
Yeah.
So weird. Okay. Wait, what did we find? We found. Wait, what the heck? Wait, can I put. No, that's not gonna work.
Before we saw similar question. Can you just manipulate the area?
With the ratio?
In two different ways, we can find the area, right? What is the area? One way is, can I calculate like this? 1 over 2 times BD times AC. Or 1 over 2 times AB times BC. Do they give actually the same thing, the area?
Q times AB times AC. Wait, how would that give the area of the smaller one?
Because area means that length, I mean the altitude times base times sorry, 1/2 times base times height, right?
Mm-hmm.
So either I can use BD, that is actually altitude to AC,
Wait,
or AB to BC, right? The same thing.
but
Because area of the
what?
triangle means 1 over 2 times base times height. Which base do you use? It doesn't matter. but the altitude should be the altitude to the base. But now
Oh.
BD is perpendicular to AC. That means that BD is altitude to base AC.
Oh, okay.
Or
I'm still looking
AB
at the
is
small
perpendicular to
triangle.
BC. Now I know AC, this one half they
Oh,
cancel each other.
okay. I see what you mean.
AC, it is 17, right? Times
Yeah.
BD.
Yeah. And
And what
then
is AB times BC? It is 8 times 15. That's equal to
60.
120.
Oh, yeah, sorry, 120. Yeah.
Now from here we can find BD, which is
Yeah,
equal
okay, that
to
makes sense.
120 divided by 17.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, this question is a bit later. It's an easy question. That's the question 4. Read question 4.
Okay. Two rectangles have the same area of 480 centimeters squared. The difference between their lengths is 10 centimeters, and the difference between their widths is 4 centimeters. Calculate the dimensions of the rectangles.
You have 3.5 minutes. Very easy question. We have just a similar question. We're talking about two rectangles and they have the same area. The difference between their length is 10 and the difference between their width is 4. What are the dimensions of the rectangles?
I just guess.
Hmm?
Can I just guess?
Yes,
Yeah, like just try.
you can, but I don't know, it looks a bit.
Like, X times Y equals 480. I have a question.
Yes.
And it says the difference between their lengths is 10. That means I could either add 10 or subtract 10 to either side, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how do I know which one?
Now that's the point. I'm just expecting you understand that point or not.
Difference between
We
their
can start with
lengths.
the first rectangle. Suppose it's our first rectangle.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say its length is x, but the difference is 10. The second one should be longer, right? I
hmm
don't know how long. Let's say it's a bit longer, something like this. So it should be x plus 10, right?
hmm
Now the second one, the difference between the year width is 4. So whose width is longer? The first one or the second one?
I'm assuming the first.
Hmm?
Wait. If you add 10 to the length and then also add 4 to the width, the number is just going to be way bigger.
No, that's why you have to make a wise choice here. If they have the same area, if it is x plus 10, this x plus 10 should be thinner, right? Something like this.
Yeah, I'm saying you need to subtract it because if you add
Yeah.
it, it's going to be way bigger than the original one, like the area is.
If it is y, this should be
Yeah.
y plus 4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. And now I can set up the equation. The first one is x times y plus 4 times. That's equal to 480. The second
Hmm.
one is x plus 10 times y is equal to 480. Now we have two equations, two variables. Can you solve it for x and y, Yunus?
Okay. Sure. Oh. Oh, do I get a quadratic?
Did you get it?
No.
No?
I
The first one
didn't.
is if you expand it, it is xy plus
Plus
4x, right?
4. Yeah.
It is 480. The second one is xy plus 10y. It is 480, right? Now
Yeah.
from these equations, as you see here, xy the same. The right hand side is the same. So that means that this 4x should be equal to 10y, right? Because if you
What?
subtract, right, 4x minus
Wait.
10y equals 0. Now if you divide each side,
Oh,
right,
okay, okay.
divide by 2. So 2x is equal to 5y.
Yeah.
Okay, now from here, what does it mean? It means that x over y is equal to 5 over 2. So that means that if x equals, let's say, 5p, then y should be equal to 2p, right?
Yeah.
Now let's substitute into our equation and solve it. The first one, x, it is 5p multiplied by y. It is 2p plus 4. On the right hand side, we have 480. Now I can take this 2 out. It gets simpler. So here we have 10 times p plus 2. On the right hand side, 480, right? Because sometimes you should just think, can I solve faster? If I divide each side by 10, p times p plus 2 will be equal to 48. Because smaller number is easy to guess. Like, can you guess and tell me what is p, Yunus?
Okay. So I have to get a number and multiply by a number. Wait.
No, the product of two
Wait.
numbers, the difference is 2
Six,
is 48,
six,
right?
6 and 8.
Yeah, 6 and 8. That means that p should be
Yeah.
equal to 6.
Yes.
And now I can write x. What is x? 5 times p, it is 30 centimeters or meters. And how about y? Y equals 2 times p, that is 12 centimeters, right? At most, right, is centimeters and centimeters. But this actual kind of questions, it really improves your critical thinking and problem solving skill. So you have to think here, and without thinking, you can't solve the problem.
Yeah.
It's not just like we are not following the fixed rules to solve the problem. Okay, Yunus?
Yeah. Mhm.
Right. Let me ask you one question for the class. The last question, easy question. All right. Let me ask this easy question. The question 3. Read the question.
Given that y is inversely proportional to the square root of x, and that y equals 4 when x equals 9, calculate the value of y when x equals 81. Oh,
What
sure,
does
no.
inverse proportion mean?
Okay. Opposite.
So that means that their product is constant, right? So y is inversely proportional to the square root of x. So that means that here y multiplied by square root of x is equal to constant number. The constant usually we use k. That's constant of proportionality.
Hmm.
And now from this equation, actually, also without k is asking just the value of y when x equals 81. Since k is constant, we can write this equation. Y1 times square root of x1 is equal to y2 times square root of x2. This equation. Can you substitute and calculate and find the value of y when x equals 81?
Wait, could you repeat that? Is it not just 36?
So y1 is 4, right? 4 times square root of 9, it is 3. On the
Wait,
right
why
hand
do I
side,
do square
y2,
root of 9?
we don't know, it is 9. So what is y?
Wait, why do we do square root of it?
Because it's square root of x, right?
Is inversely
This is
proportional
square
to
root of
this.
x.
I remember like a difference between inversely proportional and like there's another one. And like,
Yeah, this directly proportional y equals k times x. That means y
yeah,
over
that
x
one.
equals.
Yeah.
But inverse means that it's like speed and time. If you increase your speed, it takes less time. If you decrease your speed, it takes more time.
Oh,
The
okay.
inverse is proportional. But if you're working some part-time job, as you work more hours, you earn
Ah,
more. They
okay.
are directly proportional.
Like, is it just 4 over 3 then?
12 over 9 or y is equal to 4 over
4
3.
over 3. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Eunice, I think that's all for today. Have a
Okay.
good night. I'll see you on Friday, right, Eunice? 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay. See you on Friday, Eunice. Thank you.